Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your LG Smart Dryer. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got the LG Smart Dryer. How do you actually go ahead and use it and turn it on? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So to simply put, let's say that you just got your LG Smart Dryer. If you look over here, you're going to see a very faint grayed out power button. So click and hold that power button, and all the other buttons should go ahead and turn it on. So in order to actually start it, all you've got to do is click and press this button here, the start option, and that'll go ahead and start your LG Smart Dryer. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on and start your LG Smart Dryer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually use this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.